If you want to create smoother edges and blend a cutout more naturally, learning how to feather a selection in Pixlr is a simple but really useful editing trick. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to do it step by step, so you can get soft edges on your selections without guessing or wasting time. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Pixlr tips and photo editing guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in Pixlr and choose either the Marquee tool or the Lasso tool. You can use the shortcut M for Marquee or L for Lasso, which makes switching tools quick and easy. Once your selection tool is active, look at the top menu bar. There you'll see the feather setting, and this is what controls how soft the edges of your selection will be. Increase the feather slider to a larger value, like 50 pixels, if you want a more noticeable soft edge. The higher the number, the more blended and gradual the selection edge becomes. This is especially helpful if you're cutting out objects, making collages, or trying to make an element blend into the background more naturally. After setting the feather amount, draw a new selection box around the area you want to copy. Try to keep the selection around the part you want to isolate, because the feather effect will apply to the edges of that selection. Once your selection is ready, press Ctrl+C. That is to copy it, and then press Ctrl+V to paste it. Pixlr will create the new pasted layer using that feathered selection, so the edges should already look softer and less harsh. To really see the effect clearly, turn off your background layer. When the background disappears, you'll notice the soft blurred edges around your pasted selection much more easily. That's the key difference feathering makes. Instead of a hard cutout, you get a smoother transition that looks cleaner and more professional. If the edge is too soft, go back and use a smaller feather value. If you want even more blending, increase it further. The best feather amount depends on your image and the look you're trying to achieve, so it's worth testing a few values. And that's how to feather a selection in Pixlr. It's quick, beginner-friendly, and once you know where the feather setting is, you can use it anytime you need smoother edges. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more Pixlr tutorials, editing shortcuts, and simple design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.